Hello friends, this video we are going to look how we can enable for the microphone if there is any issue while you're hearing audio as well as for the video. Okay, many issues will be there for microphone, but this is one of the issue. So most of the people did not know that's the reason released for this video. It may be helpful for some users. Okay, so let me see how we can enable it. Okay, while I'm watching for video, it's not hearing sound. Okay, that's the reason. So how we can enable it, let me see in this. Here I have opened for YouTube video. Okay, in the Chrome browser. Okay, I am hearing the sound through the microphone. It's not audible to me. I am checking the volume will be higher, as well as from the down I am checking the microphone symbol is also there. So both the thing is positive only, but I don't know why it is not hearing. So what I'm doing right now, so the first step, everything is fine, but it's not audible. So I'm going to check for the second step. Okay, you can click for settings. Okay, in the settings you need to type it for microphone. Okay, I am clicking for settings. I went there for settings over there. From the right side corner it is available for microphone. Some people it's not available over there, so what you need to do, from there you can type it microphone. Okay, then automatically it will come the following settings as well as for the microphone access settings. Okay, everything should be on. You need to check it all the application it is enabled or not. If it is not enabled, you can enable it, whichever application you required for the mic. Over here I'm checking Chrome is also on only. Okay, so again I'm checking the second step, sound recorder. Okay, which is default available in your Windows. So from there I'm checking my voice. I'm recording simply with the help of microphone. After recording I'm hearing it, the voice is audible to me or not through the microphone. So I'm recording this simple voice. Okay, once recorded I'm hearing for the same audio clip through the microphone. It's audible only for me. So from the recorder it's fine, as well as while I'm connecting for the microphone, the symbol is enable, as well as from the YouTube the volume will be higher only. So all the possibilities, everything will be positive, but even though I'm not hearing for the sound. So again the third step, what I'm checking in is in the top. Okay, while you're typing for the address of the web, right, from there you can click, it will show from the Chrome browser only I checked. Right now I'm checking for the other browser also, if you're having for Mozilla or Edge. Okay, for the Edge I'm checking. Okay, from there while I'm checking, the voice is fine. Okay, I'm hearing the voice. So recorder is also fine, other browser is also fine, and setting also fine. So such cases I identify the browser problem. Okay, so from there, from the browser, Chrome browser at the top, the web ID while we are putting, no, from there I'm checking the microphone as enable only. Then why it's not audible in a sense, again I'm checking. So from here microphone it's on. So what you need to do, you can go at the bottom, from the taskbar will be there, right, at the bottom from the sound. Okay, that icon will be there, no, from there you can click it. Just you can do for one click. Okay, from the sound at the right side corner you can check it, that one, that arrow click, arrow mark you can click and come down. From the Chrome browser you can look, the volume will be muted. Okay, that's the reason it's not audible. So you need to unmute this one. So what you need to do, you can select the volume. Okay, again you can increase it. Right now you can look, it's enabled. Okay, this is a way you need to enable. Now I am going to check in the browser from the YouTube. Okay, yeah, it's audible right now. Okay, this is a way you can enable it. Okay, this will not occur most of the cases, only couple of people having this kind of issue also. Other people you can drop, suppose if it is not everything is fine, then you can right click and troubleshoot. Okay, if it does not work on this one, then automatically the mic will be connected. I think this video will be helpful for someone. If it is helpful in a sense, you can subscribe this channel and keep on watching. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.